Hey, what's going on, my Real Creek Fishing family? This is Steve-O here, and I'm back just to film an intro for this video because I realized as I was trying to edit it that I forgot to do an intro while I was out there on the water. So basically, this is one of the funnest days I've had doing some small river, some creek fishing yet. We took some kayaks down on a river that I have been to before. It's a smaller river, but we took some kayaks to give it a go down this river, and needless to say, it was a blast. Now, just to do some pre-emphasis before this video gets started, I went with my good buddy Fishing Gains, Miles Tipton, and his family. They were with us on this journey, and he was wanting to do some recording for his YouTube channel as well, but unfortunately he realized that he forgot his SD card about halfway through the journey. So my footage is only going to be half of this trip that we took on, because at that point I felt bad for him, so I'll let him take my SD card so he can get some footage for himself for the rest of the trip. So what you're going to see is just the first half of the trip from me. Probably won't be no outro for this. It'll cut off at my last fish. But it was awesome going down this smaller river, just experiencing it in a kayak, since I'm still learning kayaks, was a great time. Did lose a pole during this journey. You do not see that in this footage, unfortunately, because I didn't have the SD card at that time. But yeah, right at the very last leg of this trip, lost my ultralights. So I had to go out and get some new ones. But it was still a blast. We had fun, caught a lot of fish. So I hope you guys enjoy it.
Hey, will you go over something like that, Mom? Lean back, keep your nose up.
Yeah, my bag just got wet. I think that's just the...
And this is just a nice, smooth, straight stretch here. You're good, you're good.
I didn't see that. I'm so sorry.
Call me a leaf fish. Now the water down here is really high right now, and it is got some swiftness to it, but it should still be fun. I'm looking forward to it, and it's going to be interesting because the water does have some good stain to it. So right now I'm using the spinner bait, a bigger size one, on a swivel. We're going to try to find some stuff with noise to get these fish's attention, something bright that'll really grab their eye in this stained water. Wait. Who is up there fishing our holes? Oh, number one. He took the early lead on the crankbait. Oh no, that tree. We got over it. Fish on, baby. Tied it up. Tied it up, Miles. There we go. Nice little sunfish. Let's get it on out of you, buddy. There we go. There we go, guys. Nice little sunfish. I'll come give you a hand. I'll try to get on this grass and come up here. Oh no. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Get it. Woo! Yeah!
No.
Camera on.
Get out.
Camera on.
Get out. Dang.
Smalley.
Oh, you got a smallie.
Yes.
Oh, Classic Steve.
Yes. What's that river called?
The Peddler.
Peddler River.
Peddler River, yeah. Hey, you want to know how far we've gone?
Woo.
Not even a quarter. Oh, there it is. There it is. Huh?
No, is it still on? No.
Look at that. Look at that.
How much higher are you gonna reel that up to your pole?
I didn't realize how high I was.
I'm having fun paddling down this thing.
I am too. Sorry, buddy.
There you go.
Oh, that's a good one.
Oh, he's got a good one, guys.
My goodness.
Oh, you got some water action, rapid
Oh, yeah,
action.
I got
That's
some.
why. You got it on? I got you. He's fighting through.
Yeah. Yeah.
There it is.
Oh. Yeah.
Yo, Miles, where'd you cast at on that one? Why don't you tell our viewers?
Right in the middle of the rapids.
Right in the middle of the Rapidos, guys.
Right in the middle of the rapids. Oh, man, he hit that as soon as he hit the water.
Huh?
It's got to be a little bluegill. I said he hit that as soon as he hit the water. There he is.
All right, time my grub on. Didn't have the camera on, but another little sunfish here.
No, they don't need to get too far ahead, because if they get too far ahead, they're not going to know where to go, and they're going to get some of that. They get some of that bridge action.
They can't get too far ahead because I'm starting to get a little bit hungry,
Oh, I know.
and I don't want to keep playing catch up to my food.
Maybe I felt myself.
I just heard someone laughing.
Huh?
I heard someone laughing.
Did you? Oh, you know, I did have a missed
Fish
call.
on, baby. Fish on. It ain't no smallmouth whopper, but it's a fish. You still got signal?
Yeah. I got 4 bars here.
A little sunfish. Oh, there you go, buddy.
What'd you get?
Little sunfish.
So I ain't gonna lie, these pants are awesome.
I ain't gonna lie, not having pants on right now is awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, good one. Stay down. I can't tell what kind of fish it is. I think it's another sunfish.
Huh? Man, you probably just caught the same one I did.
We got a little smallie,
Hey,
Come on up.
hey, where are you guys at? Alright, you guys already going down? You guys need to relax and let them catch up to you.
I heard her yelling. I'm sorry, buddy. I want to get it out of you. There we go. We got it. We got it. Beautiful fish. Oh, the smallmouth action.
They said they're at a waterfall.
Yeah! This has been real fun. Alright. Pole unhooked. Going down.
See the last time I kayaked.
I saw her standing up, then she disappeared.
He's up there at the 72.
Good one. Good fish, Miles. Good fish. It's a good one.
Should be mine.
I thought they were a fish was. Bring him off.
Oh, baby. Oh, barely hooked. Ah,
That's a good one, buddy.
Holy moly.
that's what we're talking about.
There, you're gonna bang into the rock.
Am I recording? I better be, yeah.
Listen.
All right, let's get on out of here.
Hey guys, don't get too far.
There he is. Got him. Oh, he's coming.
Man, these are decent. This is some of the best smallmouth fish I think I've
This is the best hole yet, baby. Yeah, look at these fish, guys. Oh, come on, calm down, buddy. And these are fish that have probably never been caught before, so they're putting up good fights. And they're all sitting down here in this deepest part of this pocket.
What? See, this is why you shouldn't have come. I'm fishing.
It's like a good little spot. Yep, I knew it. But now we got some rapids to deal with. We'll get you, buddy. Let's park by this rock. There we go. All right. I knew that spot looked too good to pass up. Nice red breast too. There we go. All right, we'll get out of here. Let's catch on up. Man, I didn't have the camera on. We got some good sized creek chub action here, guys. Get it out. I have to get my old pliers. There we go. Uh-oh. Dang it. Come here, fish. There we go. Get him on in there.
Look at the pole. Huh? Where is your pole, Steve?
It's right here laying in the front. Hold on. Got him. Got him.
Z, over here. Over there, it's in front of his car.
See, this should have been your fish, dude. Now.
That looks exactly like the one I almost caught. At the beginning. When you guys went over here.
There we go. He got that nice 3-pounder.
Hey, dude, side on cast, buddy. Yep, yep.
Oh, good one. Smallmouth.
Ooh, that is a good one.
He ain't fighting. Come on. There we go.
Good job, buddy. Come on over here where I'm at. They seem to be pecking right over here in this little deep spot. Come over here.
Another smallie.
Come stand right here where I'm at, Ziggy.
There you go, bud.
Side on cast.
Got him. Smoked him. Another old sunfish.
Hey, did you see his gun in your thing, babe?
Is my what?
His gun I put in your
Yeah.
You want a worm, Z? Okay.
That's what I'm saying. Here, take this pole. Throw it. Because I'm missing fish on every cast. Anywhere in that area, try to get as close to the bank as you can, sidearm it, and wing it on out there. If you can, try to get a little bit further. Got him. Got it? Get it in, Z. There you go.
Keep the line tight, Z.
Oh, it's a good one, Miles. Good one.
Oh, Z, bring
Good one.
Bring him up.
Yeah.
Oh, good job here. Hold on.
Double up.
Good job. Hey, that counts on my book.
I think it was my pole.
For a picture, buddy.
Look at that big one. Woo.
That one. Man. Isaiah Tipton showing up on Steve-O with the Gary Amato worm.
On my own pole.
I know, man.
Check it out. Got him. Please don't be on the tail. It's gotta be another bluegill. No, that's smallie. No, bluegill. That's a good size bluegill though.
Oh my gosh, Steve.
What'd you do?
I don't have my SD card.